Do you like photo manipulation? Today I will show how to create a surreal image using 3 elements. Hi, Reno Nadiandy here, and let's start with create a design. I will use Instagram post portrait. Now go to element and then add this Sahara desert element. Increase the size like this, drag to the top and drag to the bottom. And then add this blue whale element. Go to apps and type ref. Choose is reflection. Click this icon. Click this button. Click above and let the offset 50. Add the opacity to 100. And then click add to design. Flip vertically, remove the origin image, and then place it here. Increase the size, and then click the desert and click edit. Adjust, reduce the brightness, and reduce the saturation. And then go to element. Add the element of woman traveling in Barcelona. Remove the background. Increase the size. Now you have it, a simple surreal image made with Canva. See you next video and have fun with Canva.